Grant, also, I'd like to ask them about personalization as a trend, and even using AI to achieve that, which now Marketo with Adobe combination is moving in that direction. What do you guys see? Have you started to play with that, or are you planning anything with that?
Not anything around content AI just yet. I wouldn't be surprised to see, especially some of my enterprise clients, head in that direction. We haven't gotten there just yet.
Yeah.
With the personalization, we've done a lot beyond just your standard "Dear John" in an email address or in an email.
Right.
And that's gone into how the language is in the email. It's gone into how the images are in the emails, and a lot of that can be more either industry or company related, but then also incorporating personalization on the website, whether that's geography based or industry based, company size, any of that sort of thing.
Are you using tools to incorporate like personalization on the website, or is it just Marketo? Or
Yeah, so I've used Marketo's tool. I've also used Demandbase to do some on-site personalization. So
we do demand base as well.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And the data that you use, like, how do you obtain that data?
Yeah, so it depends on what tool you're using. You can either go off of some of the Marketo data that exists there already, or leverage information like reverse IP lookups, inferred region, inferred city, that sort of thing. So if you have existing data on that person, you can get much more granular or more detailed with the personalization than if you just know, hey, this person's from company X, or this person's located in Washington, D.C. So.
And that's really the challenge, because you don't want to ask them 60 questions in forms, right?
Right.
So, like, how do you build up that dossier of background information that allows you to personalize, highly personalize your communications with the individual? Is that something where you do you contract externally with somebody to, like, research accounts and come back with a profile of the account and the people? Do you use online sources to build up your data? How do you do that?
Yeah, we do a lot of enrichment with some digital platforms online, and then work with our sales team to determine what are some of your target accounts. So something like Demandbase, you can do site personalization, but you can also do targeted ads around that. And so at my previous company, we actually used that, where we would advertise to companies and we would say, hey, here's how, insert your company name here, can save 33% of design time, something like that. So, when you're scrolling through your feed anywhere on a Google Display Network, you're on, CNN or your news, whatever your news site is for the day, and all of a sudden you see an ad that's got your company name in it, it catches your eye.
Yeah.
And so we saw really good results from that.
Interesting.
Whether we knew that person or not. But then if we knew that person, we could enrich some of the data on that,
Sure.
and then follow that up with really targeted communications.
Yeah.